Hi guys, this is Julius again from Mojas Web Digital Solution. In this video, I want to talk about the measurement of website performance on Google. Particularly if you're spending money on SEO, you're buying backlinks, you're writing a lot of content and publishing it on your website, or you're doing a lot of things to increase your organic ranking on Google. It is very important for you to measure the performance of your website on search engine, and in order for you to do that, you need a very important tool provided by Google, and that is Google Search Console. So today I want to talk about my 4 amazing features in the new designs of Google Search Console and why you too need to use Google Search Console to measure your performance and to see how you can improve your website performance on Google, and to even understand why you're not getting the result you're looking for, or maybe why your traffic is fluctuating and a lot of things like that. So with the new design, there are so many things you're gonna see in this particular dashboard, and this will be very helpful for you to optimize your website to even get even better result for your business. So the number one thing I have is the new overview design. If you log into your Google Search Console, you will see the new design, and that is very clean. With the new design, you see the performance, the clicks, and some important metrics that gives you more information about how your website is performing on Google Search. If you're spending money on SEO, you're building a lot of backlinks, social signals, social bookmarkings, and so on, you need to know if these things if they're working for you or not. If they are not working for you, you need to adopt new strategy, and in order for you to know if they are working or not, you need to look at your performance on Google Search Console. You cannot manipulate any data in Google Search Console. That is one of the interesting things about this platform. So some people can manipulate traffic data for you if they're giving you a report from Google Analytics. But if you are looking at the report in Google Search Console, you see everything that's happening on your website on Google Search. So it is important for you to use this tool if you want to get more information about the performance of your website. And that is the number one thing. The new overview design is pretty amazing. And the second thing I have is the index coverage. The index coverage gives you more information about how many pages are indexed on your site and which pages are not indexed. So when you have access to this data, you understand why some pages are not indexed and what you can do to improve these pages so that Google can index it and help you improve your website performance. So that particular data is very important, and I love using it because it gives me insight on why some pages are not being indexed and what I can do to update or to get them indexed as quick as possible. And the third thing I have is improvement in mobile usability data. Nowadays, everyone is going on mobile devices to look for information on the internet, buy stuff on the internet using mobile app, and so on. So other online technology like Google, Amazon, eBay, and so on, they are adopting mobile first technology. And with the mobile first technology, they're rolling out a lot of updates, and these updates are very important. So if you want to get the best result from your website, you also need to deliver very great experience to your mobile users, and that is one of the things this mobile usability data helps you achieve. When you see how your website is performing on mobile devices, for people who visit your website on mobile phone, then you'll be able to understand if your website is performing well on mobile devices or not. If your website is not performing well on mobile devices, maybe your website is not responsive, some buttons are obstructing the performance or the view of your website, you can go ahead and fix all of these issues, and it will be very helpful for you to improve your performance on search engine and get more customer from organic search. And the last one I have on my list is the presence of report or notes on reports. Recently, Google introduced Note on Report, and what it does is it helps you to see when Google makes major update on this platform, on this particular tool. So when it makes any major update, you see the note there, and when you click on the note to learn more, you see which update they make and what that update is likely doing to your website on search engine. For example, when I was looking at my data or my performance or in Google Search Console, I see some note there. Then immediately I click on the note to learn more. I discovered that Google made some update in August 2018. And when I see what the update is, I actually have fluctuation in website traffic during that period of time. So now I understand why my website traffic fluctuates at that particular time, and now I see why my website traffic is stabilizing. So you see, if you have some fluctuation, or maybe you just have drastic decline in performance, you might not know what is happening unless you go ahead and view the report and you see the note, and the note gives you more information about what actually happened and what you can do to improve your performance on Google search. Those are the 4 amazing things I have for you, and I believe everyone needs this. If you're spending money on your website to build your business, to increase your organic performance, you need to use Google Search Console. If you don't use it, if you are not using it, you're losing a lot of opportunity and it's going to affect your business. So I encourage you to install Google Search Console on your website. If you don't know how to do it, feel free to contact me. That is my work. I will do it for you and you'll be happy. Thanks again for watching this video. Bye for now.